With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that we are going to discuss now is the Lederberg replica plating experiment. Okay, it showed what? And the options given are, first is mutations are actually pre-adaptive and evolution is not directed process. In fact, evolution is based on chance events in nature and chance mutation in the organism. Second option is mutations appear in organism in response to change in the environment, conscious reaction, desire, or use and disuse of organs. Third option is given that mutations are random and continuous variations that form the raw material for gradual change of evolution. And fourth is all of these. So if we talk about this Lederberg replica plating experiment, then it was done by Esther and Joshua Lederberg. Okay, it was carried out by Esther and Joshua Lederberg in the year 1952. Okay, and what they showed by this experiment that mutations are random and they are not directed. So they showed that mutations, they are what? They are random and they are non-directed. That means what? That means they can happen at any individual and it is not compulsory that they may be transferable from one generation to another. Okay, so that means they are random and non-directed. For this, what they did was, they did an experiment. Okay, and in that, what they did was, the bacteria are spread out on a plate which is known as original plate. So there was an original plate, and bacteria growth was being allowed in this bacteria growth. Okay, after that what happens is that they are allowed to grow into several different colonies, and this layout of colonies is stamped from the original plate onto a new plate. Okay, there was a new plate then, and in this new plate, what was there? In this new plate there was an antibiotic which is called as penicillin. Okay, so there was penicillin antibiotic in that. So what happened is that the colonies which are X and Y on the stamped plate survived. Okay, so these colonies, what happened is that they survived this penicillin. Okay, they survived this penicillin, and what it shows that they must carry a mutation for penicillin resistance. Okay, so that shows what? That the original plate is when the original plate is also washed with penicillin, the same colonies live even though these colonies on the original plate have never encountered penicillin before. That means what? That means they have not acquired it because of the environment. There were mutations which were present from before, in their what? In their genes against this antibiotic. That's why they survived and they did not acquire it because of the environment. Okay, so that means mutations are random and non-directed and they do not have response in the change in the environment. Okay, so if you look at the correct option for this question, option 1, mutations are actually pre-adaptive and evolution is non-directed process. So yes, this is true. Mutations are pre-adaptive and they do not respond to change in the environment, and the evolution is not directed process. Okay, in fact, evolution is based on chance events in nature and chance mutation in the organism. So this option is absolutely correct. Okay, second option, it is telling that mutations appear in organism in response to the change in environment. But I told you mutations, they were present before this in their genes and it is not a response to the change in the environment. So this option is wrong. Now, if you talk about the third one, that mutations are random and continuous variations. So no, they are non-continuous and non-directed variations. So this option is also wrong. So the only correct option is the option 1. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.